So I'm going to be using, y'all, I'm going to be using this surface here, and it's just something I picked up from, I don't even know. I think I had it in my stash. But it's just, it was a sign of some sort, but I'm painting over it, and yes, I need to paint the side there. I'm going to get to painting, and y'all. I'm going to be using this paper. I think it was last year's Decoupage Queen paper. I'm just going to do a little Mod Podge. It's from Beacon. I don't know. It's like Fabri-Tac. So we're going to put that down. Since this is a burlap, you can tack it down with glue, hot glue, but I think I'm just going to use this. I'll make sure that's down first before I cut it. Okay, so this, we're going to put our paper, we're just going to butt that right up to there. Oh, let me just show you. So my little burlap is going to go up here, across here, and then this paper, I want to do it this way. Okay, so we got that paper down on that Mod Podge, and then I'm going to take some, doesn't matters. I'm going to take some parchment paper. I'm going to take my little heat tool here, my little iron. There's my scissors. Now we'll just cut this off. There we go. We have this. So far, that's what we have. Yeah, we're just making a sign for just a Christmas sign. And I think we're just going to use our bling wrap on the edges. I'm just going to use the hot glue, y'all. That's a Decoupage Queen paper. Isn't that pretty? I think I'm going to diamond dust some of this right here. I think we're going to just diamond dust this right here. This is snow. We'll diamond dust that, maybe a few of these trees. Just so right here, right there. How cute is that? Oh, I just love this scene, y'all. I wish I could be there. Okay, y'all, here we go. Here's our trees over there glistening and our snow glistening. All right, so up here, I'm just gonna put a sign that I've had, a little, oh, where is it? Okay, so this is, I don't know if this was an ornament or what, but I got a whole bunch of these when I went thrifting one day. Actually, it was an estate sale, and she had all these, it was just a big package of Christmas decorations. So that's what we have so far. And we're going to add some snowflakes. So look at these snowflakes. So I think I want to do this big one here where this little bow is. And then we're just going to scatter some around. I'll let y'all see that. So I got these snowflakes on there, and I put one right here where this bow is. I was going to put some actual greenery. This has some snow on it. Let me go ahead and do that, and I'll put that. And I'm going to scatter some of these, y'all, some of these rhinestones. I'm just going to scatter them all up here because, look, there's snow. There's like snow falling down. And so we're going to add some of that onto here. But I'm taking this ribbon. Look at this ribbon. So I found this ribbon when I went thrifting too. It was like $2 for a huge roll. This is the last of it. I'll try to start at the edge right here with this. Okay, so we've got this so far. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put our greenery on here. If it'll stay, I don't know, we'll see. See if it'll stay. Put a bunch of hot glue on there. It should. Okay, so I'm going to use some of these little shimmer crystals from Totally Dazzled. We're going to use some of these. And I'm just going to sporadically add these. So no rhyme or reason where I'm going to put them. I'm just gonna add a little bit more shimmer on here, or just probably add a few more up there, but yeah, that's it. I hope you love it. I hope it inspired you.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.